Hi, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can put apps to deep sleep to limit the battery usage on the Samsung Galaxy S21 series. Now, first let's go back to your home screen by tapping on the home key at the bottom of the screen. Then swipe down at the top and tap on the settings button. In here, go down and tap on battery and device care. Next, tap on battery, and then you want to go down and tap on background usage limits, and then tap on deep sleeping apps. Next, tap on the add button, and then go down the list here and select the app that you want to add to deep sleep, and then tap on add, and that's it. So that deep sleeping apps will never run in the background. They will only work when you open them, and that's it. Finally, you can tap on the home key to go back to your home screen. Now, another way you can put an app to deep sleep is to open up this chart right here, and then in the list, in the battery usage list, you tap on app, and then you tap on limit usage, and then you tap on put in deep sleep. So that is another way how you can put an app in deep sleep. And I'm just going to choose no limit for now, and that's it. Finally, you can tap on the home key to go back to your home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.